fractions, and we are looking at question 2. Okay, by firstly factorizing the denominator, express the followings as a partial fractions. Okay, for question 1, the denominator is this, so we are told to factorize that. Here x is common, take it out, then you have x squared minus what? Minus 1. Okay, so the fraction will now become this plus 7x minus 3 all over x into bracket what? X squared minus 1. Okay, and don't forget that this expression, we now have this one is a difference of 2 squared. So, and that will give us x minus 1, x plus 1. This brackets will give us x minus 1, x plus 1. That is a difference of 2 squared. Okay, so that's what we now have now. We have this fraction. Okay, we have 3 linear expression. So this will be equal to a over this, then plus b over the second linear factor, then plus c over the third linear factor. So that's what we have now. The common factor, x into bracket x minus 1, x plus 1. The denominator on the left and the right will be the same thing. So we just have the numerator, this plus 7x minus 3 equal to this fraction here times the common factor times this one, times the LCM. So that will be x minus 1 into bracket x plus 1 times the numerator, then plus this fraction also times the LCM, the common factor. So x minus 1 is here, so it will cancel. So we have b times x times what? X plus 1. Then finally, this will be equal to plus c times times this, and then x minus 1. So let's begin to substitute. Let x be equal to 1. Okay, so with that, this we cancel out. This also we cancel out. So we now have 6 plus 7 minus 3, which is 10, equal to, this will be b times 1, and then 1 plus 1 as a 2. So b is what? B is 5. Also, let x be equal to minus 1. So the left hand side, we have 6 times minus 1 squared plus 7 times minus 1 minus 3. So we have 6 minus 7 minus 3 equal to, come back here, if you substitute minus 1, this will become 0, this will become 0, then we can find this. So that was c minus 1, and then minus 1 minus 1, that's a minus 2. Okay, so this will give us minus 4 equal to 2c. 2c minus 4 equal to 2c. So c is equal to minus 2. Then again, let x be equal to, we use minus 1. We can also use 1. We've used 1. Okay, we can pick 0. Just look for any small number so that you can get the third unknown. So let's pick 0. So that will be on the left, we have this, and then on the right, we are going to have a into brackets minus 1 plus 1, b we cancel, then 0. Then we have plus, also this one we also cancel. So that's 0 there. So a is what? A is 3. A is 3. So on the final notes, we can write the equation, which is 6x squared plus 7x minus 3 all over x into bracket x minus 1, and then x plus 1 equal to, our a is what? A is 3 over x plus, b is what? B is 5 over x minus 1, then plus c is minus 2 into brackets x plus 1. So that's the final answer. So what we can just do, plus minus, so this will change to minus, this will change to minus, and this will become what? Become plus. Okay, so that's just that. Okay, so that's that on that question. We'll quickly go to the second question. Let's see the second question. Question C part. We are told to factorize the denominator, and if you check this denominator, is polynomial. It's polynomial of power 3. It's polynomial of power 3. So, and if you look at it, it will be equal to each other. So what we do is to, let's call it f of x. F of x is this. Okay. Then the constant here, the factors of 6 could be plus or minus either 2, plus or minus 3. It can also be plus or minus 6. So these are the factors of that 6 there. So let's check f of 2. So when x is 2, I'll put in this equation, and that will be 2 to the power 3 minus 4 times 2 to the power 2 plus 2 plus 6. So this will give you 0. So if this is 0, if f of 2 is equal to 0, that shows that x minus 2 is what? Is a factor. The factor of that polynomial. And if you equate this one to 0, you get your what? You get your x equal to 2. So x minus 2 is a factor. Then we can do the polynomial division, which will be equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 x minus 2. So what can we use to multiply x so that we can have s cubed? We can use s squared. So this one times this one, we have this. This one times this one, we have minus what? Minus 2x squared. Do the subtraction. So we now have this minus this cancel. This one minus this one. So that will give me minus 2x squared. As in minus 4 minus 2. Then take this one down. So that's a plus what? Plus x. Okay? Again, I'm having minus what? Minus 2x. So this one times this one, that will be minus 2x squared. This one times this one, that's a plus 4x. Do your subtraction, this minus this, 0. This one minus this one, that's minus 3x. Then take this one down, so that's what? Plus what? Plus 6. Okay? Then the next thing to do now, that will be minus 3. This one times this one, that's minus 3x. And then this one times this one, that's what? That's plus 6. And that will give us a 0. Okay? And that confirms that x minus 2 is a factor. If x minus 2 is a factor, then the moment you do your division, you do your polynomial division, the remainder will be what? 0. Okay? So this one now, this one is equal to x minus 2 times s squared minus 2x plus 3. And this will be equal to x minus 2. This one, can factorize that. This is s squared. P8, 1 here, 1 here. Factors of 3, factors of minus 3. I can generate minus 2. That's 3 and 1. So that will be minus 3 plus what? Plus 1. Okay? Minus 3 plus 1. So these are the two factors of what? Minus 3. That can give us minus 2. So we have factorized the first thing there. Then let's solve the partial fraction. Okay? By firstly factorizing the denominator, that one has been done. Then express the following as a partial fraction. Okay? So this question now becomes, we have the 3 factor. We have the first one, that will be a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 3, then plus c over x plus 1. So that's what we have now. So what we're going to do now, since we know that the common factor or the HCM, the common factor is this, okay? So equate the numerator. So this will be this minus this. The numerator is equal to the numerator on the left hand side equal to that on the right hand side. Each of those fractions here times this LCM. x minus 2z, x minus 2z. So I'm going to have a into brackets x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 1. So this one is 1. Okay? Then x plus 1. Then plus b. This fraction also times the LCM. So x minus 3 is here, So we just have b times x minus 2, x plus 1. Then plus c into brackets. S plus 1 is here, So I'm going to have c into brackets x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay? So let's x is equal to what? 3. Do your substitution. If you do that, this expression here we cancel, this expression here we cancel also. So we have 5 times 3 squared minus 15 times 3 minus 8 equal to b. 3 minus 2, that's 1. 3 plus 1, that's 4. So that's minus 8 equal to 4b. So b is what? B is minus 2. Yeah, the next one, let x be equal to, if x is 2, this expression here we cancel, this expression here also we cancel. So we have on the right, on the left, 5 times 2 squared minus 15 times 2 minus 8 equal to. So in that case now we can get the a times 2 minus 3, that's minus 1, and then this one also, 2 plus 1, that's what? That's 3. Okay? So this will give me minus 18 equal to minus 3a. So a is what? A is 6. Okay? And lastly, let's x be equal to minus 1. You can do minus 1. So if you do that, expression for a we cancel, expression for b we cancel, then we can generate the c parts. So we now have 5 times minus 1 squared minus 15 times minus 1 minus 8 equal to c. So that's minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2, that's minus 3. And then here also minus 1 minus 3, that's minus 4. So we have 12 here. We also have minus 12c here. Then we have plus 12c here. So c is what? C is 1. So at this point, if you are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Why not smash that icon on the video and subscribe? Click on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we upload a new video. Click on like button and please send your comments. Let's see your comments. And finally, share the link of this video on all your social media platforms. Okay? Then please join the next video, and that will be section 1.4. We want to see what happens when your denominator is a repeated linear factor. So let's go there, 1.4 for repeated linear factor.